Welcome to the chapter. In this lesson, we'll learn the difference between the verbs sit and set. These words may sound similar, but they are used in different ways. Let's make it easy and fun to understand. The word sit means to rest your body on something, like a chair. You do this action by yourself. For example, I sit on the chair, or she sat near the window. It's something you do on your own, without needing to move anything else. The word set means to place something in a specific spot. It always involves another object. For example, I set the book on the table means you are putting the book down. Or, she set the plates on the shelf. You are not sitting, you are placing something. Here's the simple difference: sit is when you place yourself down. Set is when you place something else. Think of sit for a person and set for a thing. Easy, right? Let's look at some common mistakes. Saying please sit down on the chair is wrong. It should be please sit down on the chair because you are placing yourself. And saying I sat the keys on the table is also wrong. It should be I set the keys because you are placing an object. Now it's time to practice. Let's see if you can pick the right verb. 1. I will, what? The cup's on the table. That's set. 2. Can you, or what? Next to me. That's it. 3. He, the basket on the ground. That's set again. Well done. Let's review what we've learned. Sit is when you place yourself down, no object is needed. Set is when you place something else down, it always needs an object. Keep practicing and you'll never mix them up again. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.